Our lives are dominated by very clear and black and white decisions and choices we have to make. Should I do the workout? Yes or no? Yes. Should I eat the eggs or sugary cereal? Eat the eggs. Should I go for the run? Go for the run. Should I do the work in front of me that I don't know if it will create the result I want it to create, or should I just not do it? The answer is I should do it. Even if I don't know it's going to work 100%, it's better to do it and find out than to not do it and not know, and to not at least have that answer in my brain as to whether the work created the result I want or it didn't. So when we're planning our year, planning our life, planning our week, what we first have to realize is that most of the choices we have to make on a daily basis, and there's broad choices in life, there's unanswered questions that we might have, there's why am I here to live, what am I here to do, there's all these choices that we can cover at another time, there's all these decisions we face that we can cover at another time. But the reality is, most of the decisions we have to make in our life are very clear, very black and white, very yes and no. There are things we should stop doing that we should stop doing. There are things that we should do that we ought to be doing. And if we can take care of that portion of our life, these very clear decisions, I should stop scrolling through social media. I should stop avoiding the work by searching something online. If we can take care of these very simple yes and no choices that we have to make in our lives, then our lives will be astronomically better. And if you give it long enough time, our circumstances and our surroundings will improve in a massive way. So the challenge I have today for you is to simply think about these choices that you have in life. Make a column, write down workout, yes, no. Social media, yes, no. Look at your phone in a work period. My phone is actually shit. It's right here. It should be in another room. Do the work that you have to do in front of you, even if you don't know it's going to build your business or improve your life in the way you want to improve it. It's a piece of the puzzle. Doing it and figuring that question out is going to be beneficial. Write down all of these little choices you have in the run of a day. Keep a notepad like this, super simple. Take a pen as you're working, as you're living your day. Write down all these choices you have. See how clear these choices are. There is a good and a bad to each of them. There's a good to doing the workout. There's a bad to not doing it. So do it. Try to create as much clarity in your day where you're faced with these clear, stark decisions and make the right decision. If you can get in the habit, and I'm talking to me as well, if I can get in the habit of making the right decisions on these different things frequently, every single day, throughout a year, who we are is going to improve dramatically, and thus our physique, our health, our circumstances, everything is going to change in a positive light. So forget all of these massive goals, aspirations, figuring out plans of what to do and how to be, and simply focus on the clear decisions, the stark differences in choices that we have in our daily basis right now. Figure those out, start making the right decisions, and do that for a month, 6 months, and watch your life improve. There's a lot we can do with what we have now simply by being better with the choices that we have to make right now. It is not complicated stuff. It's simply doing the right thing instead of doing the wrong thing. Please take that notepad around, make those notes, make those changes by simply making the better decision, and watch how your life will improve. Get after it.